Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm met again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got beautiful summer dresses for you guys. And also guys, I sell American diamond necklaces, earrings, and some gold plated jewelry as well in my website shinysaga.com. If you're interested to buy, I'll provide the website link in the description box. You can check them out. Okay, let's start with the video. The first product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. Okay, this particular dress is one of my favorite because let me show you guys first. This is the first dress. Just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It looks so amazing when you wear it, guys, and this looks very good in summer. I feel like it's a summer dress. If in case you guys like this dress, go for it. The quality is really nice. It doesn't look cheap at all. I'll put up a try on video also. You guys can see like how this dress looks like. Definitely you can go for it. I'll let you guys know the price. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 376 rupees, and I feel like it's amazing, guys. You can definitely go for it. They have like one more color in this. And the design also looks very different. This one also looks really pretty. If in case you guys like this product, I'll provide the product links in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. And again, like if you're planning for a vacation, you guys can buy this particular dress, and it has a tying thing. You can tie it behind, and all over the dress you get this prints. A beautiful dress, and it's quite stretchable as well. Definitely you can go for it. I got it in medium size and it fits perfectly to me. If in case you guys like this one, you can definitely go for it. This is like a bodycon dress. You can also check out my try on video, and if in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. All the tops, I mean all the dresses are very affordable. Let me tell you guys what is the price of this particular dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 327 rupees. It's quite affordable, and when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give you some more discount. So it's a steal deal, guys. Definitely you can go for it. The dress looks really amazing. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a cotton dress, and this one also looks so pretty. And this is not like a long dress, it's a short dress. This is how the dress looks like. Just look at this, guys. I just love this one, and you can see they have given beautiful prints, and in the front you get this kind of work, and again you get balloon sleeves. It's very comfortable. It's a cotton material and looks really pretty. It's not a short, I mean it's not a long dress, it's like a short dress. You can also check out my try on video. Beautiful dress. I just love this one. How, I mean it's very flowy and very comfortable to wear. It's very lightweight as well. If in case you guys are looking for this kind of dress, you can definitely go for it. Let me tell you guys what is the price. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 406 rupees. Very affordable, and I would recommend this particular dress to you guys. It's very comfortable, looks really pretty. You can also check out my try on video. Alright, the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is like a maxi dress. Again, this is like a bodycon dress. Okay, this is the next dress. You guys can see they have given thin straps. In the neckline you get this kind of lace, and this is like a mesh dress, and inside they have given lining. Lining is still your knee, so yeah, definitely you can go for it. This looks really classy and elegant. If in case you guys are looking something like this, definitely you can go for it. And the quality is really good, and it's very soft as well, very stretchy material. Definitely you can go for it. Let me tell you guys what is the price. The price of this particular dress is 468 rupees. You will find this kind of dresses in Savannah as well, but the prices are a little high. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. The quality is really nice. You guys can get it. If in case you don't like it, you can anywhere return it. So let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. Okay, this particular dress is beautiful, but it was a task for me to wear this dress because they have given a lot of tying thing. What do you call this, guys? Strings? Not really sure, but yeah, behind they have given a lot of no strings, and I couldn't wear it. My mom also was sleeping, I couldn't disturb her. Anyway, this dress is really beautiful. They have given side cutout here, and back is backless. If you like this kind of dress, you can definitely go for it. This is like a sexy dress. If in case you're planning to wear it for a vacation or for a party, you can definitely go for it. It looks beautiful and it gives good shape to your body. You can see my checkout, I mean, you can you can see checkout you can check out my try on video and see like how this dress looks like. If you like it, you can definitely go for it. I'll also put up a picture here like how the back looks like on a model. You'll understand like how to wear this dress. The price of this particular dress is just 296 rupees. Can you believe that? And they'll give you some more discount when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay. It's a steal deal. Buy this dress, guys, if in case you guys like this. Okay, let's go on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is also like a vacation dress. This is how the next dress looks like, and you have to tie it behind. It looks really beautiful, guys. And this is like a backless dress. Backless, yeah, this is like a backless dress, and it's quite long. It's a full length dress, and you also get a slit here. I really like the color combination on this. They have given like light yellow color with this orange color. It looks beautiful in the summer. Definitely you can go for it. It's like a summer dress, and you feel very comfortable wearing this particular dress. It's quite backless and you will not feel hot in this particular dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is just 390 rupees. Very affordable. Definitely you can go for it. Alright, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a short dress. This is how the next dress looks like. This is a cotton material. I think it's cotton blend and looks really pretty, guys. They have given collar here. You guys can see. It looks like a shirt, but it is little long, so you guys can wear it like a dress, or if you want, you can wear it on a pant also. Looks really pretty. Amazing dress. Looks so pretty. This color combination is so good. Blue and yellow looks bright and very beautiful in this summer. And they have given like a balloon sleeves in this. You can also check out my try on video, like if you are not able to understand like how this dress looks like. This is like a short dress, it's not a long dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 387 rupees. It's a beautiful dress. You can definitely wear this in summer. It's like a flowy dress and you will feel very comfortable wearing. This is the next dress, and this particular dress is also one of my favorite. Let me show you guys. This is how the next dress looks like. I got this dress in medium size. By the way, all the dresses I got in medium size, and this particular dress quality is really good. It doesn't look cheap at all, and behind you get a zip. This is like a flowy dress. You will feel very comfortable in summer. Definitely you can go for it. The price of this particular dress is 518 rupees, and I think it's quite affordable for this particular dress. The quality of this dress is really nice. If in case you guys are interested in this dress, I'll provide all the products links in the description box. You can check them out. Let's see what we have next. The last product of this haul is one of my favorite, guys, and this one is also like a short dress. This is how the next dress looks like. Amazing dress, guys. I just love the prints on this one, and it has like a black and white color prints on this. Looks really pretty. And this is like a short dress. Again, this is a short dress. You guys can check out my try on video how this product looks like. Amazing dress. If in case you guys like this product, you can definitely go for it. Let me tell you guys what is the price. The price of this particular dress is 370 rupees, and go for this particular dress, guys. Trust me, this dress looks so beautiful when you wear it, and it's very flowy cotton material. You'll feel very comfortable in summer. Definitely you can go for it. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye bye.